The 2011 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, airbags, driver airbag, power steering, cruise control, FWD, trip computer, fog lamps, compass, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, power windows, tachometer, rear wiper, power heated outside mirrors, remote window operation, privacy glass, rear spoiler, roof rack. Your new ride is just a phone call away.